Hello, my name is Jeff Noel and I'm with Whirlpool Corporation. As part of our ongoing monitoring of the quality and safety of all of our products, our safety team recently identified a potential risk concerning certain models of Hotpoint and Indesit washing machines. Now, these appliances were designed by Indesit prior to Whirlpool acquiring the company. However, as the new owner, it is our responsibility to put this situation right for you, our customers. Now, while the risk is low, your safety is our top priority. We are therefore launching a full product recall in early January. That means that if you have an affected washing machine, we will come and take it away and replace it with a like-for-like appliance, completely free of charge. Alternatively, we can send one of our engineers to your home and they can carry out a repair to your existing washing machine that will remove the safety issue. If you own a washing machine from one of these brands that was made since 2014 and haven't already checked if it's affected, please do so as soon as possible. All the information you need is on our website, or you can ring our UK call center 7 days a week for further assistance. We know just how important washing machines are to families, especially over the busy Christmas holiday period. And we are deeply sorry for the inconvenience and concern this may cause you. While we work to provide you with a replacement or repair, to avoid all risk associated with the use of your washing machine, you should unplug it and stop using it. If you do continue to use your appliance, you should only use cold water cycles of 20 degrees Celsius or lower. This is because the issue is associated with the washing machine's heating element being activated during washing cycles above 20 degrees. Now, I would like to stress, we're doing everything we can to rectify the situation as quickly as possible. We have a team of over 2,500 staff here in the UK who are working hard to make things right. We are doubling the size of our customer service team and we're hiring extra engineers. We're also increasing our delivery and collection capability and working with third parties such as retailers and logistics providers. This is a complex operation, but we'll be working tirelessly in the coming weeks to ensure we are ready to start offering solutions to you, our customers, in early January. Every one of our customers matter deeply to us. And I can assure you that if you have one of these affected washing machines, we are 100% committed to taking care of you. We'll be providing further updates on the recall in the coming weeks. So please, make sure you register your details with us so that we can contact you directly. Thank you for your patience and your understanding. And please accept my most sincere apologies.